Hi, I'm Danielle and I'm an employability consultant, part of our CG Ambitions team here at Coleg Gwent. CG Ambitions has been created to prepare you for the world of work and get you that one step closer to your dream career or goals. We offer all of our learners the opportunity to create progression plans and explore different career paths, gain knowledge about being self-employed, starting your own business, or continuing on to higher education. You can develop your employability skills alongside your course, create your CV, get useful tips and advice on job searching, and interview techniques and assistance with higher education or job applications. Our services are available through one-to-one support, progression meetings, group workshops, and inspirational guest speakers. We'll host a number of events throughout the year featured around enterprise, employability, and career insights. Our aim is to inspire you and equip you with the skills you need. Many of our students have gone on to secure work placements or part-time work through employer partnerships. Some have achieved their employment aspirations at the end of their course, or gone on to successfully set up and run their businesses. You can access our services on campus or book an appointment via CG Connect. Get in touch today to start fulfilling your ambitions.